I was broke and hopeless until I learned this about money. There was a time when I felt completely lost. No matter how hard I worked, I was always broke. I remember staring at my bank account one day, only $5 left. Rent was due, bills were piling up, and I had no idea how I'd make it to the next month. I know many of you watching have been there too, stuck in a cycle of working, earning, and still feeling like it's never enough. But let me tell you something, there's a way out. And in this video, I'm going to share exactly what changed my life forever. If you've ever felt stuck financially, keep watching, because today I'm going to show you how I went from being broke to being on my way to financial freedom. Personal struggle to break through. I grew up believing that if I just worked hard, I'd be financially secure. So I did what everyone else told me to do. Got a job, worked long hours, and tried to save. But no matter how hard I worked, my bank account stayed empty. The real wake-up call happened when I couldn't afford a simple dinner with friends. I remember making up an excuse because I was too embarrassed to admit I had no money. That night, I made a decision. I wasn't going to live paycheck to paycheck anymore. I was going to figure out how money really works. And once I did, everything changed. I started studying the habits of wealthy people, and I realized they don't work for money, they make money work for them. And the biggest lesson I learned, the secret to financial independence isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about understanding money, investing wisely, and building multiple income streams. How to achieve financial independence now? Let's talk about the steps you can take today to start your journey to financial freedom. 3 actionable steps. How to achieve financial independence now. Let's talk about the steps you can take today to start your journey to financial freedom. Step 1. Change your money mindset. The first thing you need to do is change the way you think about money. Stop thinking of money as something you earn and spend. Instead, think of it as a tool that works for you. Step 2. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on one job is a trap. The wealthy don't just have one source of income, they have several. Here are a few ways you can start building passive income today. Start a side hustle, freelancing, online business, etc. Invest in dividend stocks or rental properties. Create digital products or an online brand. Step 3. Pay yourself first and invest wisely. Most people pay their bills first and save whatever is left. That's the wrong approach. Instead, pay yourself first. Set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before anything else. Step 4. Avoid bad debt and live below your means. Debt is the biggest enemy of financial freedom. Avoid high-interest credit cards and unnecessary loans. Instead, focus on using money to create wealth, not just to survive. Step 5. Take action. Now, most people hear this advice and do nothing. Don't be that person. Take one step today. Whether it's opening an investment account, starting a side hustle, or simply changing how you budget. Listen, I know how it feels to struggle financially. I've been there. But I also know that with the right mindset and action, you can break free. You don't have to be a financial expert to change your life. You just need to start. If I could do it, so can you. If this video inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe, and hit the bell button for more content on financial freedom. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest money struggle right now? Let's talk about it.